Okay, we're going to do some charges, skirmishing and running away. So troops that are missile arms, sort of light troops or these light chariots, were very adept at shooting and then evading backwards. And we have two versions of that, so there's a choice to make, which makes it particularly interesting. So here I've got 3 Indian elephants charging at these Egyptian chariots. Indian elephants charge this far, so they'd have no problem hitting them. So the first thing we do with these guys is we have to decide what they're going to do. So I'm going to decide that they are going to do a skirmish move. So that's the most dangerous. And a skirmish move is telling them to fire as much as they possibly can and then retire back carefully. So to do that, what we do is the shooting is quite normal. So a file starts on a white dice. So this is what they would begin on. Because they are actually only 1 deep, they would actually drop down to black dice for that. But because they're skilled shooters and it's an average target, it takes them back up to white. So even single rank, these high grade skirmishers are actually quite useful. So we're going to roll 4 dice and see what we get. Just got the 1 wound, so we haven't done any huge damage on them. We haven't slowed them down because we needed to do a little bit more. So just to show the slowing, if we'd done that, those 2 hits are now half or more of this, so that would have slowed them down by 1. Half or more of the frontage, which is 3. If we'd done that, we would equal the frontage, and that would slow you by 2. And we would show that by actually putting a little purple dice temporarily, just to show what's going on. So, they're perfectly fine. They've taken a little dent on the way in. A skirmish move for troops is, as its base move, 2 less than normal speed. So these chariots go 5 normally in good going. So they would, on average, go back 3. But there's a little dice roll to see how far they go, which variabilizes it. Let's see what we get. So that's a 5. That's normal. So they go to here. And the elephants go to here. So the advantage of doing a skirmish in particular is they're facing that way. And you'll see they're still in range, range being 3 for these guys. So they're set up to shoot again.